Is Narendra Kumar and I welcome you all at the Chandigarh Career Group. So guys, today we are going to cover the current affair of 23rd of June 2021, and these current affairs are quite relevant for CDS, CAPF, NDA, SSC as well as State Public Service Commission examination. So guys, this is our very first category, that is important days and events. ओके सबसे पहले जो है हमें क्या देखने मिलेगा 21 ऑफ जून को क्या किया जाता है, ऑब्जर्व किया जाता है एज अ वर्ल्ड ह्यूमैनिस्ट डे। क्या ऑब्जर्व किया जाता है? वर्ल्ड ह्यूमैनिस्ट डे। वर्ल्ड ह्यूमैनिस्ट डे इसको सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है हर साल जो है अराउंड 21 जून को, राइट। मेन एम क्या है सर इसका? मेन एम ये है कि हमें क्या करना है, स्प्रेड करना है अवेयरनेस को। किससे रिलेटेड सर? ह्यूमैनिज्म से रिलेटेड, राइट। कि जो इंपॉर्टेंस क्या है ह्यूमैनिज्म की और कैसे जो है ये इफेक्टिव है इन द चेंजिंग ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। तो ये आपको बहुत अच्छे से पता होना चाहिए। नेक्स्ट 21 जून को ही ऑब्जर्व किया जाता है वर्ल्ड हाइड्रोग्राफी डे। तो वर्ल्ड हाइड्रोग्राफी डे को ऑब्जर्व कब किया जाता है सर? 21 जून को जो है क्या किया जाता है, ऑब्जर्व किया जाता है। मेन पर्पस क्या होता है सर? मेन पर्पस होता है कि हमें अवेयरनेस बढ़ानी है अबाउट द हाइड्रोग्राफी, राइट। एंड हाउ हाइड्रोग्राफी प्लेज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल इन द लाइफ्स ऑफ द पीपल, ये भी कहीं ना कहीं जो है हम बताने की कोशिश करेंगे। मेन जो है आपको ये देखने को मिलेगा कि लोगों की अटेंशन को अट्रैक्ट करना है टूवर्ड्स द, जो आपको देखने को मिल जाएगा इंटरनेशनल हाइड्रोलॉजी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, इसके काम की तरफ। यदि मैं बात करता हूं किसके बारे में, वर्ल्ड हाइड्रोलॉजी डे की थीम के बारे में, तो थीम आपको क्या देखने को मिल जाएगी? 100 years ऑफ इंटरनेशनल कॉपरेशन इन हाइड्रोग्राफी। नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी अवार्ड्स ऑनर्स पर्सन एज वेल एज प्लेसेस इन न्यूज। यू हैव टू रिमेंबर द नेम डॉक्टर तड़ांग मीनू। इनका नाम क्या है? डॉक्टर तड़ांग नींबू। एंड मीनू ये कहाँ से बिलोंग करती है? शी बिलोंग्स टू द अरुणाचल प्रदेश एंड शी बिकेम द फर्स्ट वुमेन टू बी appointed in the AIBA, International Boxing Association, right? She is first Arunachali woman. You have to remember this thing, right? Basically, Arunachal Pradesh woman Dr. Tedang Minu became the first in the state and the second Indian woman in the country to be appointed as the member of the coaches committee of the International Boxing Association, right? Next, Sumita Mitra, right? This is Sumitra Mitra and she is honored with the prestigious European Inventor Award. So who got the award? Her name is Sumitra Mitra, and she is basically Indo-American chemist Sumita Mitra. इनको ऑनर मिला है यूरोपियन इन्वेंटर अवार्ड 2020 के लिए, राइट, इन द नॉन यूरोपियन पेटेंट ऑफिस कंट्री कैटेगरीज। She was the first to have successfully integrate nanotechnology into the dental material to produce the stronger and more aesthetically pleasing feeling, right? Next question, Naveen Patnaik. I hope you remember this guy. This is Naveen Patnaik and he released Vishnupada Sethi. This is Vishnupada Sethi and his book that Beyond Hair and Other Poems. Beyond Hair and Other Poems. So Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik released a book of poems Beyond Hair and Other Poems, and it is written by the senior bureaucrat and his name is Vishnupada Sethi, right? Next, I hope you remember him, and his name is Montek Ahluwalia. Montek Ahluwalia, named the member of the World Bank and International Monetary Fund, right, High Advisory Group. So who will be the, from the Indian side, the former deputy chairman of the planning commission Montek Singh Ahluwalia was named as the member of the high level advisory group formed by the World Bank and IMF, right? Next, British lawyer, his name is Karim Khan and he is sworn as ICC International Criminal Court's चीफ प्रोसिक्यूटर। सो आपसे यदि कभी पूछा जाए इंटरनेशनल क्रिमिनल कोर्ट के चीफ प्रोसिक्यूटर कौन होंगे, देन व्हाट शुड बी योर आंसर? सर आपका आंसर होना चाहिए करीम खान, राइट। और यदि मैं बात करता हूं इंटरनेशनल क्रिमिनल कोर्ट के बारे में, तो उसको सर फाउंड किया गया था 1 जुलाई 2002 में हेडक्वार्टर आपको हेग नीदरलैंड के अंदर देखने को मिलेगा और टोटल आपको 123 स्टेट्स देखने को मिल जाएगी और जो लैंग्वेज है ये बेसिकली आपको इंग्लिश एक लैंग्वेज देखने को मिल जाएगी. दिस इज Tyra Kashyap, and Tyra Kashyap Khurana announced a new book, The Seven Sin of Being a Mother. Filmmaker and writer Tyra Kashyap Khurana has announced the upcoming book, that is Seven Sins of Being a Mother. So आपसे कभी पूछा जाएगा, you have to remember her name, right? That is Tyra Kashyap Khurana. Next, her name is Upasana Kamini, and she is named as ambassadors of the forest frontline heroes at the World Wildlife Fund India, right? World Wildlife Fund India has inducted Upasana Kamini, a director of the Apollo Hospitals, as a brand ambassador of forest frontline heroes with the aim to appreciate the efforts of frontline workers in the hospital in the wildlife protection space, right? Now next category, that is national events. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched M Yoga app. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched which app? M Yoga app, right, on the occasion of the International Yoga Day, which is observed on the 21st of June, right? You need to remember this. Next question. International events. We don't have any news from the international events and sports. Her name is Laurier Hubbard, and she belongs to the New Zealand, right? And she became the first transgender athlete to compete at the Olympic Games. Her age is 43, right? And she is a weightlifter in the 83 plus category, right? So you have to remember her name, Laurier Hubbard. She is in the news because she became the first transgender to compete in the Olympics. Next, reports and indices. India ranked 51st in terms of the money deposit in the Swiss bank. I hope once or a while you must have listened about Swiss bank. It is known for the black money, right? So India's rank is 51. You have to remember that. According to the annual bank statistics of 2020 released by the Swiss National Bank (SNB), the Central Bank of the Switzerland, India with Swiss francs around 2.55 billion, right, has been placed at 51st place. United Kingdom topped the list, right, followed by the USA. If I will talk about foreign direct investment, right, FDI, foreign direct investment, so India's rank is 5th. According to the United Nations Conference on the Table and the Development, UNCTAD, its report name is World Investment Report 2021, and according to that report, India's rank is 5th. If I will talk about the FDI recipients, USA topped the rank, right? US is at the first place. US got the maximum foreign direct investment, right? And second number is given to the China. Now moving to the defense, you have to remember one exercise, that is JMSDF, India Navy and Japan Maritime Self Defense Force. ये आपको क्या देखने को मिल जाएगी? ये आपको देखने को मिल जाएगी सर, ये एक नेवल एक्सरसाइज है बिटवीन द इंडिया एंड द जापान, राइट? Government scheme. I hope you remember this guy, and his name is Nitish Kumar, and he's Chief Minister of Bihar. So Bihar government launches Mukhyamantri उद्यमी योजना. सो यदि आपसे पूछा जाए कि मुख्यमंत्री जो उद्यमी योजना है ये किसके द्वारा जो है लॉन्च की गई है, देन आपका आंसर क्या होना चाहिए सर? आपका आंसर होना चाहिए कि बिहार. अब इसके दो कंपोनेंट आपको देखने को मिलेंगे, एक है मुख्यमंत्री युवा उद्यमी योजना और दूसरा आपको देखने को मिल जाएगा मुख्यमंत्री महिला उद्यमी योजना, राइट? Next section is polity. We don't have any current affair. Environment, we don't have any current affair. Summit and conference, we don't have any current affair. Science and tech, we don't have any current affair. And economy, we have a one current affair, that is SEBI, right? Security and Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI, it reconstituted the 4-member takeover panel, right? And the main purpose of constituting this committee or a panel to make the to identify the need of the minority shareholders. SEBI has appointed N. Venkataram as a MD and CEO of the Deloitte India as a new member, right? And the chairman of this panel will be K. Kannan. It is quite important for your examination, it can be asked. Right. Next segment is quiz, and I hope you enjoy this. Here is first question. World Refugee Day is observed on which of the following day? And your option is 18th of June, B is 20th of June, C is 19th of June, D 17th of June, E 16th of June. So the right answer obviously will be the option B, that is the 20th of June. United Nations celebrate International Day of Yoga globally on which of the following year? Very easy question. So the right answer definitely will be the option D. Ibrahim Raisi has won the 2021, or answer already been given, right? Presidential election of which of the following country recently? So your options are Ukraine, B is Qatar, C is Syria, and D is Iran. I'm expecting that you know the answer, that is Iran. Recently, 1098 carat diamond has been discovered by researchers, which is deemed to be the world's third largest diamond ever found. The diamond has been recovered in which countries? And your options are: option A is Mauritius, option B Zimbabwe, option C Botswana, option D South Africa. So the right answer definitely is going to be the option C, that is the Botswana. The Nutmeg Curse, Parables for a Planet in Crisis is the latest book by which of the following renowned authors? And your options are Shankha Ghosh, option B Krishna Sobti, option C is Amitabh Ghosh, option D Akhitam Namboothri. So the right answer definitely is going to be the option C, that is Amitabh Ghosh. What is the rank of the India in the Sustainable Development Report 2021? So the definitely आपके ऑप्शन जो है, ऑप्शन ए 76, option D 80, option C 84, option D 144, and option E is 120. Definitely it is 120. What is the theme of the International Day of Yoga 2021? And your options are yoga for health and yoga at home, option B yoga for well-being, option C yoga for climate action, yoga for human, and yoga for peace. So the right answer definitely is going to be the yoga for well-being. Next question. Who among the following has won the French Grand Prix 2021? And your options are Lewis Hamilton, option B Max Verstappen, option C Sergio Perez, option D is Charles Leclerc. So your option right answer is definitely is going to be the Max Verstappen. Which of the following city has been named as the most livable city in the India in Ease of Living Index 2020? Your options are: number 1 is Bengaluru, option B Chennai, option C Shimla, option D is Bhubaneswar. So the right answer definitely is going to be option A. This is how this video comes to an end, and I am hoping that you enjoyed the video. If you do so, then you can press on the like button. Whatever the suggestions you are having, feel free to give the suggestions so that this video can be more helpful for you. And you have to subscribe the channel. If you want to get connected with us on the Telegram, then you have to visit the Telegram channel of the Chandigarh Career Group in order to get the PDF of this current affair, right? Thank you so much.